Hey guys, and welcome to High Maintenance TV. I am Celeste Celeste, and this is going to be another episode of Cece's Closet. Today we'll be unboxing a gift from Marc Jacobs. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this beautiful yellow bag, like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get to it. So this was an in-store purchase that I made in the Lenox Mall that is in Atlanta, Georgia. I was in town. I filmed my latest movie was filmed in Atlanta. So I'm back and forth on business at least once a month. And I was actually waiting to get back home in Florida to make this purchase because I figured it would be delivered. I'd probably have to sign for it, and I didn't want to be out of town and miss the delivery and all that stuff. So I was like, okay, I'll just buy it when I get back off of my trip. But while I was on my trip, I was hanging out with my cousin, and I found out that there was a Marc Jacobs right in the mall around the corner from her house. So I was like, well, instead of going home and ordering it online, let me go and do an in-store purchase. And that's what we did. So I went to the Marc Jacobs store in Lenox Mall in Atlanta. And Aaron, I have to give a shout out to Aaron. Aaron is so bomb. He helped me out with this purchase, and he was like, tell all of your friends how amazing I am. That way, if anybody wants to purchase anything, you guys go into the Marc Jacobs store in the Lenox Mall in Atlanta and ask for Aaron. He will take very good care of you like he did me. Okay, so he gave me this and wrote his name on it, so I remember. I said, I'm gonna give you a shout out on my YouTube channel. Okay, again, you guys, you know, we're in our little small space. I don't have a lot of room. This is the receipt, which I will get to once we get to the item. This is probably the hottest item in Marc Jacobs right now. Like, the girls are gagging over these tote bags, so you know I had to join the trend and make a purchase and get one. So I'm so excited. They don't have like gift boxes. But I told them that I had to unbox it on my channel, so they told me that they would wrap it up for me. So they wrapped it up in some of this fabulous Marc Jacobs tissue paper here. So here it is. Here's a fabulous bag. You guys know I will be keeping the bags like I always do. And they did it really cute with the little stickers and everything. And so I'm gonna tell you right now, I want 3 of these bags. I wanted the mini. I wanted a small, and then I wanted probably another small. I didn't care what size the other one was, because I wanted the blue one, I wanted the black one, and I wanted this, and those were the fabric ones. And then I wanted the cognac leather one, which is super expensive, but I want that baby for like fall. I'm a New York girl, so cognac and some nice thigh-high cognac boots and that big old bag would just be everything to my wardrobe. So let's open what we got. This is going to be the first one of our Marc Jacobs tote bag collection. This is the only one I have so far, but I'm definitely going to be getting more. So let's unbox. I bought this maybe a couple of weeks ago. I've been home for a couple of weeks now, but I'm so busy with like work and my daughter's graduation. My daughter had a college graduation. My other daughter had a high school graduation. So I've just been super busy. I haven't even had a chance to literally open my gift. Okay. This is another Mother's Day gift. I was given the money and just told her to pick out whatever I want. And this is what I wanted. So I'm so happy that I was able to get it. So happy I was able to go into the store. Me and Aaron, he was super nice. Everybody in the store was really nice. And you know what? When I looked online, like, their Yelp reviews are horrible. And I'm going to go on there and I'm going to write them a fabulous review, because from the second I walked into the store, I was treated like I was a celebrity. I received the best customer service, the best social exchange with the people who worked in the store. None of the stuff that I read online happened to me when I went there. So I'm going to put a good review up there. Again, shout out to the Marc Jacobs team in the Lenox Mall. You guys were amazing as far as I'm concerned. And I'm going to help you with them horrible Yelp reviews, because you guys were great. So ripping it open, there's no preserving it. It's just tissue paper, guys. Okay. Okay. So we're going to open it up. And the first one I got, and I thought I wanted a mini one until I got in the store. And I compared the mini to the small. And I was like, I want the small one. And then I compared the solid print to the two-tone print and went with the solid print. I'm just going to throw all this stuff down because it's all in my way. And there she is, guys. This is it's like the, I don't know exactly what it's called, but to me, it's like denim. It's like a denim color. My wardrobe is literally red, black, white, and neutral colors. The only colors that I really will get into outside of the red, black, and white is, like I said, any neutrals. But I wear a lot of denim, like jean. I will wear blue. So I figured this would be a good addition to my wardrobe. Every purse that I have is either red or black. So even my cousin's like, you're never even gonna wear that. Yes, I am. I'm gonna wear this anytime I wear denim. And I wear jean shorts, I wear jeans, jean jackets, jean vests. You know, I will get wear out of this. And plus, I don't want to wear it every day. I don't wear any of my stuff every day. I put my stuff into rotation and put it on as I see fit. I'm gonna have to come right back. So I am struggling with this piece here, so I had to go get some little scissors and cut it. All right, there I go. And now I can open it up. Okay, and this is the Blue Shadow tote bag. It is in size small. Again, I wanted, or I thought that I wanted, and I'm reading all the information from here off the tag. I thought I wanted the mini until I got there and I compared them, and I did not. There's a lot of stuff to get through to get this bag open, guys. Sorry. Everything is taped and has all this stuff on it. Okay, so it has the zipper to keep it closed. I do not believe that the mini has a zipper on the top of it. We'll get to this. This is the little thingy. Okay, so on the inside, all right, it's pretty spacious. There is a zipper so that you can put things inside. I don't know how well in there you guys can see. That's a zipper pocket in there. You zip that back closed. And then there's two pockets on the inside. There's also the Marc Jacobs label on the inside. The inside is also lined with the Marc Jacobs logo all along on this part of it. Like on the inside, it says Marc Jacobs all over it. It's a really, really, really good size. Like I said, I thought I wanted the mini until I seen it, and then I realized I did not want the mini. I wanted the small. I don't know why. I just carried them both, again, because I was in store, thank God, and I was able to carry it and hold it and feel it and all of that, and realize that I wanted this one instead. So you have the Marc Jacobs style tote bag, location New York City, year 1984. I was 4 years old because I was born in 1980. And so Marc Jacobs is a New York stylist. I'm a New York girl. And I would even wear this bag with this dress that I have on. Anytime I wear blue, this is the bag you're gonna get with it, okay? Inside it came two things. There's this little card here, which I'm pretty sure is gonna give us some details on the product. I'm interested. Okay, crafted unique materials. We recommend this product be handled with special care. When not in use, store this accessory. Avoid contact with water and oily substances. Do not use cleaning products. Avoid ink, oil, permanent dyes. They are not removable. It's 100% cotton. The body of it, the trim is not polyurethane is what the trim is. It does not say how to clean it if you were to get a spot or something on it. I'm assuming don't. Okay, don't. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so there's the information on it. I did want to share with you guys, I always give you guys prices. The mini, I think, is $175, and I think the small was $195, and then I think the next size up might be like $215. They're not far apart in pricing. Again, this is the Blue Shadow. It was $212.36 with tax. So there's all the paperwork and everything on it. It came with this strap, which I'm probably absolutely not going to use. Although I will say this, they had a bunch of fabulous straps in the store. They have a whole, my newest word now is a gang of them when it's a lot. There's a gang of these straps in Marc Jacobs where you can buy a different one, because that's the one thing I didn't like. I was like, why is the strap black and the bag is blue? Like, and the writing is white. You're bringing in a whole nother color into the equation that I don't really think should be there. but it's optional. You could put this on. I believe the little hooks are on the inside. There's one there and one there, and that's where I'm gonna hook the straps to. And I'll have the option to like throw my laptop in here and make it more of a work situation if that's what I want it to do. Like I said, I probably won't. I probably will always just carry it, do it like a little tote, like in the fold of my arm or just in my hand, you know, down on my side. I love her. Not a whole lot to talk about. Real simple. These bags are everywhere. Everybody has one. You're literally not an it girl if you do not have one of these Marc Jacobs tote bags. Unless you just don't like it. If you don't like it, then you don't have to like it. But if you're a fashionista, and I'm not usually a trendy, I don't like trends. I don't like what's hot today and then tomorrow it's not hot and I just am stuck with something that's like old now. I don't really like trendy things. I like classic things. I like things that will stand the test of time, things that will always be relevant. So I like signature patterns and stuff. But again, I thought denim is something I wear all the time. Marc Jacobs has been around literally my whole life. And I'm just so happy to add this to my wardrobe. It's different for me. I don't usually do anything that's not black or red or white, but that's exactly why I wanted this. And I wore this blue dress today to show you guys that I do have blue things. And I will have a couple things that's gonna look fabulous with this. And I actually bought a couple new outfits to go with this bag too. And I'm just super excited. I will list the specs, the dimensions of it all, because I know people want to know what can actually fit into this. But I love it. It's super cute. I'm so glad to have it. Can't wait to put this on with a cute little denim. I got a little denim skirt and a little denim jacket. I might wear it with that. I got a one-piece denim pants outfit. I got a one-piece denim romper. I have a denim dress. I have so many different pieces that I could wear this with. And so I'm super excited. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much to Erin and Marc Jacobs in the Lenox Square Mall. And girls, if you're wondering about getting this bag, get it. Get it, get it, get it. You will not really be able to find a designer piece for this price. You're not gonna find a bag that's a designer bag for $200, actually under $200 before taxes. You're just not. So if you're on the fence about getting this bag, just do it. It's worth it. Under 200 bucks for a designer bag. The quality is there, the durability is there, it's fabulous. Get off the fence, get the bag. You're gonna have a hard time deciding which one you want, so get two of them if you want to. I am gonna get I don't want the mini anymore. It's just too small for me. But I am going to go one size up with either the black and white one like this or that cognac colored one that I wanted. But that one is leather, and the leather one I think is about $5.50, and the canvas one that's a little bit larger is like $2.15. So kind of a difference in price. We'll see who wants to be nice to me when my birthday comes around or whatever the case may be. But yeah, I'm happy I got it. No regrets. Welcome her to Cece's Closet. You guys know what to do. Make sure you like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Get you a new bag.